a car accident in Alabama, most people expect one thing: the other driver's insurance pays the medical bills. That's not how it works, and that misunderstanding costs people thousands of dollars. I am Dee Asthana, managing partner at Caldwell Wenzel Asthana, personal injury lawyers, and we handle serious injury cases all across Alabama, Mississippi, and Northwest Florida. In the next few minutes, I will explain exactly how medical bills work after a car accident in Alabama. Who pays, when, and what you need to do to protect yourself. Here's the thing that insurance companies don't tell you. The at-fault driver's insurance does not pay your medical bills while your auto accident case is pending. Alabama is an at-fault state. The driver that caused the accident is responsible to pay for all of your damages. But the insurer pays at the end. That could be at the end of a trial or your settlement, which could be months away. In the meantime, the hospital doesn't wait. Providers continue to send bills, and if those bills don't get paid, they're sent into collections while you're still recovering. That's where most people get into trouble. They're expecting the insurance company to step in. They don't treat. Bills pile up, and the case, well, it gets weaker. You need a plan to cover for your care right now. And the good news is that you have more options than you may think. Your first option is to use your own health insurance. If you have that, use it immediately. Do not wait for the other driver's insurer. It keeps your treatment going and documents your injuries. And your insurer's negotiated rates with the provider often means lower total bills. And that matters at the end of your case. Something to note is that if the health insurance company pays for your treatment after a car accident, they will likely claim a portion back from your settlement through what's called subrogation, or a subrogable lien. An attorney can often negotiate that lien down significantly. Your second option is MedPay. MedPay is optional coverage under your own auto policy. It pays medical bills regardless of fault, usually between $1,000 to $10,000. Check your policy right now. If you have it, use it. If you don't, make sure to add it in the next renewal. It's inexpensive and it matters. Your third option is medical liens. Some providers will choose to treat you now and wait to get paid when your case settles. This is often referred to as a letter of protection or a medical lien. It's not free. It comes out of your settlement. And the lien rates are sometimes higher than your insurance adjusted rates. But for people that do not have health insurance, this is a good path to obtain treatment. Your fourth option is medical funding companies. For those individuals who do not have health insurance, your attorney can set you up with a medical funding company. This company provides you access to the medical treatment you need after a car accident. So when you go to get medical treatment at that provider, the medical funding company pays that provider directly. But the medical funding company then waits to get paid back out of your settlement. While this is one of the options to obtain medical treatment after a car accident, it is sometimes the best option available to those that don't have health insurance. But for the people that have health insurance, this may not be the best option. All four of these options have trade-offs. The right one, it depends on your situation. What's never the right move is skipping treatment and hoping that the insurance company comes through. Alabama follows pure contributory negligence. There's only a handful of states that actually follow this rule. Here's what it means. If you were even slightly, like 1% at fault in Alabama, your claim is completely barred, not reduced, barred. Insurance adjusters, well, they know this rule, and when they're asking you for a recorded statement, they're listening for anything that puts partial fault on you. I didn't see them coming, or I may have been going fast. Those statements, even when honest, can be used to argue that you were partially at fault. So if you're being asked to give a recorded statement to the insurance company, make sure to talk to a lawyer first. One exception is where the other driver acted with wantonness. Drunk driving, street racing, or extreme recklessness, contributory negligence may not apply, and you may be entitled to punitive damages. But in most cases, this rule is exactly why how you handle your car accident case in the first few weeks matters. So here are the top 5 mistakes that will significantly reduce your settlement. Number 1, gaps or delay in getting treatment. If you delay in starting treatment or you have significant gaps in your treatment, all you're telling the insurance company is, hey, I'm not that hurt. Number 2, giving a recorded statement without first talking to a lawyer. Number 3, blaming your pre-existing conditions. If you already had a bad back before the accident and it now hurts worse, don't blame your bad back. Just say, my back hurts. Your attorney can explain to you how Alabama law protects you when you have pre-existing conditions that were made worse by the accident. Number 4 is not knowing your own coverage. Many people are unaware that they have a benefit under their own policy called UIM or UM, underinsured motorist coverage or uninsured motorist coverage, that can step into the shoes of the at-fault driver's insurance in case of no coverage or minimal coverage. Check your policy. And number 5, don't post about your accident on social media. Just don't do it. What if I don't have health insurance? Well, you still have options. MedPay, medical liens, and medical funding companies. The worst thing you can do is skip medical treatment. Untreated injuries, they hurt your health and they gut your case. Will the at-fault driver's insurance cover everything? Maybe, but their policy has a limit. Alabama's minimum is $25,000. For a serious injury, that is often not enough. Your own UM or UIM coverage is the best option. Know your limits. Can the hospital send me to collections if my case is still pending? Yes, and they sometimes do. An attorney can often step in, communicate with the providers, and protect you from that while your case moves forward. And last, what if I was partially at fault? Don't assume. In Alabama, what you think happened and what the evidence shows could often be very different. Get a consult from an attorney before you make any conclusions on your case. Alabama's rules are strict, and the window to protect your case is very short. Guess what else? The insurance company is not on your side. So call us if you have any questions. Our consultation is free, and you don't pay us anything unless we win for you. The link to our website is in the description below. And we have offices across Alabama in Foley, Mobile, and in Birmingham. We can also meet you virtually or at your home if you cannot travel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for all things Alabama car accident education.